Welcome back, you guys. Look at this wonderful, beautiful beauty that I made. It's a makeup eyeshadow palette tray. But I'm going to add some other stuff to it. So if you want to know how I made this beauty, I need y'all to stay tuned. But first, if you tuned in, if you are looking at this video, I need you all to subscribe. Please subscribe if you want to join the family for Drinking Nation. And also hit the ring bell so you never miss an upload. But if you want to see how I created this tray and see how I just came up with this, I actually just really came up with it along the way. It was like just add into it. But if you want to know how I created it, stay tuned. Welcome back to Frederica Nation, y'all. Thank y'all so much for tuning back in with another DIY. I'm going to show you all how to create this look for a makeup tray. And it's going to hold pretty much all of your goodies. Okay, so I already got everything set up. What I used was everything from the Dollar Tree. Everything came from the Dollar Tree. I got the the glasses, the vases back here, also the napkin holders and the bling wrap. I got these from the Dollar Tree. This is the top of the butter holders, and that's the butter holder right there. And I put bling wrap, event plate, and another tray right here, and I just hot glued all of that around the trim. So there's nothing that is hot glued yet or glued down yet. I just wanted to show y'all the setup on how we're going to glue this stuff down. But everything came from the Dollar Tree, okay? And you could pretty much put your own little bling bling touch to it. It depends on what you want to do and how you want it to look. But I'm going to show you all how to glue everything down and how everything looks afterwards, okay? So let me go ahead and show you all how. And of course you're going to need a hot glue gun and some sticks, and also you're going to need some Gorilla Glue or E6000. I ran out of E6000, so I'm using my Gorilla Glue just to give it an extra sturdy hold, because how many of y'all know that with the hot glue gun, it's not really guaranteed. So yeah, let me go ahead and do this. I'm going to put some hot glue right here, and I'm going to show you all exactly what I do. So yeah, this is how I just put all my wonderful, beautiful some of my favorite teas, not all my favorite teas, but yeah. So yeah, I just put some of these Milani's in here, Anastasia's. I got some of my palettes back here, my brushes, more palettes back there. And yeah, and more eyebrows or eyeliners and eyebrow makeup right there. And also right here, I got some extra palettes that I slid through there. I mean, this is so cute. And my pencils there, like, this is just so, it works out so much for me instead of having everything all in my drawers and spread it out everywhere. And I'm going to make another one because I want you all to really see how I store everything, as far as I might have to make 2 or 3 as much makeup as I got, but I'd rather do this than getting online or going somewhere and buying it. Something like this is probably really pricey if I was to buy it in the store, when in fact I could sit here and make it at home, and it's very affordable. So yeah, this is how it ended up. If you like this, please subscribe, thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, make sure that you drop down in the comment section below what you want me to make, as far as like makeup trays, vanity trays, or whatever idea you come up with. Just drop it down below, and I will definitely try my hardest and my best to get it done. But make sure you subscribe and thumbs up. If you really like this video, please hit the thumbs up, you all. Thank you so much. Welcome back to Frederica Nation. But until then, I'll see y'all some other time.